Hi, my name is Maureen Breen, and I'm the president of Philadelphia Backyard Chickens. I'm here today to tell you a little bit about keeping backyard chickens and show you why people want to keep them. So this is one of my girls right here. She's a black star, and you can see behind me the setup that I have in my backyard. There's my chicken coop. That's the house where they live. You need about 1 to 2 square feet of space for each chicken that you're going to have. They have to have a roosting bar in there so they have a place to sleep at night. And they need a nest box, so they have a really nice secure place to keep their eggs because they like their eggs to be safe. You want to put some bedding in there like straw or pine chips so they have something comfortable, and you definitely need some bedding in the nest boxes because they actually make a little nest and that's where they put their eggs. You can also see here, this is my run. That's the outdoor area where the chickens spend most of their time outside in the sunshine all day. That has a sand bottom, so it's easy to clean up. An important thing about the entire setup is that it's safe from predators. So my run has wire on the top to keep the hawks out. It's chain link fence all around, and there's something called hardware cloth on the bottom to keep things from burrowing into it. Additionally, on top of my chain link fence, I have bird netting. And the bird netting is meant to keep the wild birds out. It's not that I dislike the wild birds, but they would eat all the chicken feed and they don't give me any eggs. So I did hear these girls making some noise this morning, and I think we've got some eggs in the nest box. I'm just going to go back there and see if we do. Great job, ladies. And we do. We have 2 fresh eggs back there. They're still a little bit warm because they just came out of these girls, and these are warm girls. Right now I'm getting 1 to 4 eggs a day, which is more than I can eat, but that enables me to share them with my neighbors, which I'm really happy to be doing right now. A chicken will lay about an egg a day, more when she's younger. They need a certain amount of light, so more when there's more light. But you can pretty much get about an egg a day out of these girls. They need food and water like any other animal. I have a feeder in there that I fill up once a week. It's just a cheap old 5-gallon bucket with a piece of PVC pipe in it. And then the watering system I have to fill up every other day. They're not too expensive to maintain. I have a metal container here. That's where I keep my chicken feed. The metal container keeps it fresh and it keeps critters from getting into it, so that's good for my chickens as well. In addition to the eggs, these girls love to run around my yard and eat the bugs. They love to get into my compost pile and turn that over for me and eat the bugs that are in there. You want to go free range? You want to fly off?